Aaron Rodgers.
You can keep singing. You don't want to? What are you singing about?
Aaron Rodgers.
Aaron Rodgers? Yeah? That was a good song. Can they hear a little bit more?
Aaron Rodgers. Even in the daytime.
What game did Aaron Rodgers play in last night? The Rose Bowl? Are you sure? Which bowl?
Packers.
The Packers, yeah. Was it the Rose Bowl?
Yeah.
No, which bowl was it?
Super Bowl.
The Super Bowl.
Super Bowl.
And who won?
Packers are a great team. Packers. Mommy, now do I have to eat?
Finley. 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 Bum 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 ba bum bum bum.